Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Professor Anthony Mba, former Chief Medical Director of University of Nigeria Teaching Hospital at Itikwazala, Enugu. I wish to tell you that what is written in Born to Live, Not to Die is truly not a piece of fiction, but a reflection of the reality in our environment. During my period as Chief Medical Director, we witnessed deaths of several premature babies because we didn't have incubators we could nurse them to maturity. As a result, several of them died until Professor Hippolyte came into the scene and then revitalized all the incubators, and we now saw that things could work in our environment. So please, I am imploring everybody to read this book because it is just a reflection of what is in our environment. It's not just reading the book, but taking some action to improve things, either by playing some advocacy to the government or by financially supporting the movement. Thank you very much.